You don't want to take an event like that for granted.
Oh, but I'm fine.
Anyway, you know who's going to be there? You know who's going to be there? Allison Rogers is going to be there. She loves that kind of stuff.
Well,
right
she
there.
was there today doing the story, so maybe she
She'll
got
go
her
back.
fill of it.
She'll meet a meteorite tonight. I have a feeling. Yeah.
All right, I was just thinking another name for a meteorite, in case you're wondering, a shooting star. When you see the shooting stars at night, it's basically a meteorite.
Okay.
That's all they are. Some of them burn up before they reach the Earth, before they reach the surface, but occasionally some don't, and therefore you get to see them in a nice, cool collection like that.
Big weekend here, Kevin.
You come up with all the great dad jokes. We just don't even have it in us.
You had to see his eyes. I saw his eyes, and it was cooking right before we got to it there.
That was good.
Wind speeds are pretty blustery out there right now, but you know what? Those winds are going to ramp up even more as we get into the day on Saturday. In fact, right now, our sustained winds are somewhere between 10 and 20 miles per hour, but we could see gusts over 40 during the day on Saturday. So let's talk about this windy Saturday we have coming our way. It's going to be a windy one with or without a lot of rain. And the bonus is I don't see a lot of rain for tomorrow around the area. It doesn't look like a soaking wet Saturday. In fact, I have some spotty sprinkles and showers early in the day, and then it gets a little steadier closer to sunset, probably somewhere after 5, more closer to like 6 or so. I think the rain becomes more impactful around the area. We'll talk more about your Saturday here in a moment, but tonight we're kicking off high school playoff action around the tri-state. Couldn't ask for more comfortable, more pleasant weather conditions out there this evening. You're in the 70s now. You'll be slipping into the 60s by kickoff. And even as you make it to the fourth quarter, it will still be in the 60s. Now, tomorrow, if you're heading up to Nippert Stadium, if you're tailgating, I don't see a lot of rain the first part of the day. So I think it's actually pretty dry for most of your tailgating fun. Kickoff's at 4. I do think by 4 o'clock we will have seen at least some showers. But the key here, it's intermittent. It's not steady rain, right? I do think the steadier rains hold off probably closer to the end of the game or maybe even after the game there. But with that said, there will likely be at least some showers intermittently off and on during the game itself. But it looks light. Then on Sunday, we're back into ideal football weather, around 70 for folks heading down to Paycor Stadium. Your Election Day forecast, still looking nice. Temperatures well above average, somewhere between about 65 and 70 on Election Day, but sunny and dry. So all in all, we've got some nice November weather coming, just minus the little hiccup Saturday brings. It's 74 outside at the moment, very comfortable for all of us. We're talking 75 in Hamilton, 76 now in Oxford, 75 in Alexandria. We are approaching record territory with this type of warmth because our record high, 78, 79 degrees. So we're only about 4 or 5 degrees off from that. Going to be a nice one tonight. Very mild, especially before midnight. We'll be in the 60s. It's mild all night. We'll only dip into the upper 50s by morning. So it's a quiet night as those winds ramp up while we sleep underneath mostly clear skies. Here's 7 a.m. Saturday. You notice it's still dry out there. Notice by lunchtime, it's still mostly dry. So that's why I say the first half of your day, I don't see a lot of rain. And even as we get into the afternoon, here comes your scattered showers. Notice this is 4 o'clock. The bulk of the wet weather is still to the west of Cincinnati. As we work our way into the evening, here comes those gustier showers. 6, 7 move through the area, and then that's it. This front will not bring a lot of wet weather, and we're back into quiet weather for your Sunday, which will bring us a good deal of sunshine and great weather for football. So tonight it's mild as those winds ramp up later, 58. Tomorrow we'll still top out in the 70s. It's going to be a very mild afternoon. Again, with the rain becoming steadier closer to dark tomorrow. Here's a look at your day planner. As I mentioned, anything during the day is kind of spotty, light, and intermittent. Your 7-day forecast shaking out like this. Don't forget those clocks fall back an hour tomorrow night, and then a nice stretch of weather continues into next week. Not bad for the second week of November when you have more 70s or 60s on the map than 50s where we should be this time of the year.
And you know, this weather has been just on time for high school football this season, and we are